Alright, so I finally ended up getting a issue with my Xbox Series X controller not connecting to my Xbox Series X. And I also had this issue when I was using my Xbox Series X that's down there in the box down there. So I'm basically making a video showing y'all how I fixed it. I know a lot of people will probably tell you get your USB-C cord and hook it up to here, hook it up to your controller, and it'll fix it. But for me, it didn't do that. I was just using my USB-C cord out of my Elgato that came in my Elgato, and I took it out of my laptop and put it into the Xbox Series X and tried to hook it up like that, and it would rumble, but it didn't connect back. So what I did was I guess I would say, was hard reset my Xbox Series X. And by doing how you do that was I just pretty much held the Xbox button till it just completely went off. I didn't just press it and let it go. I pressed it and held it, and then when it went off, I let it go. Then after that, I turned it back on, and when I cut it, I took the batteries. I got rechargeable batteries. Hold on, let me see if I can take these out. I got the Energizer rechargeables back there. So once I did that, and it still didn't connect. So basically, because my controller was still on, so I took the battery out. I took one battery out so it can turn completely off. Turn my Xbox controller back off. Turn that back on, then turn this back on. It was still blinking. So all I did was basically pair it up how you usually would pair it. I pressed this pair button on the Xbox Series X, that button right there with the three little, I'm gonna call them parentheses. And I just pressed the button, the other pair button, the matching pair button on the Xbox. And as you can see, we back in business. So it was just a quick video, man. I wanted to basically just show y'all how it worked for me. If you do decide to do the USB-C with my controller stay, thank you. If you do decide to do the USB-C and it didn't work or it don't work for you, this is how I got it to work without having to do none of that and all that stuff. So this is just a quick video, man, just in case anybody else have a problem doing it with a Xbox Series X or S. I'm pretty sure it probably worked the same way for the S. When I had my problems with the S, I think I went by it the same way, except I didn't have to hold this button and stuff like that. Like, I just pressed it and stuff like that. So I don't know. But yeah, man, I'm gonna just end that here, man. So hopefully this helped you out. If it did, then go back to gaming. Peace out.